Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and today we will discuss a very simple example which is calculate the percentage in Excel. And I just made this example for you. So now we just proceed how can we make this simple example from scratch. We proceed to our new sheet, and here you first need to zoom in so that you can get a better view of how to make the example. First you have to just select the cells, and just select the cell, and here you can see the merge and center option. You just need to click on it, and right here calculate the percentage in Excel. Now you just select the cell, and here you can see the option which is middle alignment. Click on it, and here you see the increase font size. You just need to increase as per your need, and now you just need to click on bold so that it will be more presentable. Now I just write the name of the students, and then I just write the name of subjects like maths, and then science, computer, and English. Now in the next column I just write the total marks, and in the last one percentage, which is our destination, and you just decrease the size. Here you can see the total marks box is more, so we just increase the size by just double click on it, and you just need to increase. Now I just write the name of the students, like first is Harry, then Mark, James, John, and last one is Christopher. Now here you see that the whole heading is in short, and you need some more spaces, so you just first select the all spaces which required, and now again select the merge and center so it become in its first position. Now you again needs merge and center so it also covered the area which is remained, so in this way it covered it. And here you see the marks, so I just make it select all the boxes, and here you see the center alignment, and you just select the all boxes and make it bold, and you just select again all the boxes, and here you can see the option which is thick box border. You select the thick box border and again select it. Here you see all borders, again select all borders, and you just need to select the calculate the percentage action, and again make it for thick border box. Now you just need to write the marks, and it's upon you. You can manually type the marks, or you can just use the rand between formula to make the marks. So I just select the rand between formula, like R-E-A and rand, B-E-T-W-E-N, rand between. And rand between wants the criteria for minimum and maximum marks, so I just write 70 comma and 100, which means it will gives you marks randomly between 70 to 100. So you can see it gives you 94, and I just drag it down and drag it up till our English subjects, and here you see the marks, and I just make the criteria of 70 to 100 to make it more practical. But as you can see in rand between formula, there's one issue, like if you double click on any other cell, the value continuously becomes changes, so you just need to make it constant. So how you can make constant? You just select all the boxes, and here you can see the copy option, and you again select the whole boxes, and here you can see the options in which you see the paste values option. You just need to click on it, and here the values become constant. And if you can see that if I double click on any cell, the values remains constant. This is how you just need to make the values constant after raising the rand between formula, otherwise the values will be continuously changing. So now you just need to get the total marks, and for getting the total marks you just need to sum up the marks. And for sum up the marks we just use the sum of formula, like equals to sum sum bracket open, and you just need to select all the address and click on it, so it gives you the total marks, and just drag it down. Now it says the percentage. For percentage you just need equals to and the address of the opted marks, which is 330, and its cell address is F5, divide by our total marks. So it's upon you, just you can make another column of total marks, or you can just get the marks like for making practical I just make marks 100 for each subject, so the total number of subjects are 4, so the total marks is 400. So I just write the 400 and I drag it, so it will give the percentage, but we want to get the percentage in the percentage with the percentage sign. So here you can see the percentage option in the number, so click on it and you'll get the percentage. And if you want the percentage in decimals also, so you can increase the decimal or decrease the decimal as per your requirement. And now I just make it more presentable. How can I just make it presentable? I just select the first cell, and here you can see I make a color green, and again, and I just again select, and here you can see the option. I just write again here in yellow color and make it bold. This is how our example completed with how can we get the percentage in a very simple example. And if you face any confusion, you can write in our comment section, we will surely give you a reply. Thank you for watching our video.